Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah and welcome to my channel. This is Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. Today I'm going to model in 3dsmax a thumb, a very good mark. You can see it. Very good job. This mark you can see it. Thumbs up. The four fingers will be inside and the last fifth finger will be upside like this thumb. I will make it this mark like this. I will make a hand like this. For thumb inside and one thumb main thumb which is outside. Very good job. This mark I will make it. I will design it or I will model it. So do subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get latest videos notification. So let's without wasting any time, let's jump into 3dsmax. Drag a box. From here, default shading on the edges faces. Width segment 4. Width segment, width segment 4, length segment 5, height segment 1. Now make it apply edit poly modifier. I have to add extra elements. I will add extra edges. Select the go to the edit poly modifier. After parameters, select the hold the control key by selecting double edges or segments or lines, the horizontal lines, and apply connect command and drag it to the near to the second edge. Now same select other second one edges holding control key and apply connect, and third one select the vertex edges or the segments and make it as connect. Now select the polygon, go to the edit polygon sub parameters, polygon parameters. Now extrudes and holding the control key by selecting the all of the four. Suppose I'm holding the control key and I'm selecting the polygons and extrude by polygon. This much is enough. Now rotate it. Now with the rotate tool, select the rotate tool and now rotate it. First let me one more time, extrude it. This time rotate it. This time rotate it second time. Now drag it up outside. Now again extrude it. Now again rotate it. Drag it outside by holding the select and move tool, this one. And now again extrude it. Extrude by polygon. And now go to the rotate tool. First tick on this mark and then rotate it. And now extrude it again. Now rotate it. Drag it outside with select and move tool. Again, let me rotate it. Now extrude it again, rotate it.